So I've now finished my first compressor, and it's been quite a lot of work, mainly due to total ignorance on my part, but it works. It's been a journey, but a lot of learning, a lot of discovery, but I have done it. A straight fridge compressor, and I will give credit to the wonderful people who've inspired me on this video in the description. This is a very simple. I cut out some wooden boards and then put on Velcro straps to hold the tank down, which works very well, mainly because I can't weld, although I'm going to learn. And a tar rail, a very sturdy tar rail as a handle, and the gubbins, and the pressure switch. It's a bit lower at the moment, but it cuts out at 7 bar and starts again at 4, and everything is working absolutely as it should. And it took quite a while to solve all the water leaks that I had, but water leaks, air leaks, but it's all solved now. Anyway, thanks particularly to Dimitris on Jimmy's canal. Again, a link at the bottom of this, without whom I could never have done this.